Most creators lose viewers in the first 15 seconds, but here's how you won't. Have you ever worked really hard on a video only to see your audience drop off in the first 30 seconds? I have. It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a simple 4-part recipe that most successful creators use to keep viewers watching and coming back for more? Today, I'm going to share with you the perfect video recipe from the YouTube Secrets book, Chapter 9. If you're a new or small creator struggling with viewer retention or structure, this is going to change the way you make content. Welcome back to the YouTube Secrets book study. I'm Renee Laurie, and this series is for small and new YouTubers ready to grow their channels with purpose. We've already covered part 1, strategy, the 7 C's. If you missed those videos, I'll put a link in the playlist down below in the description. And there'll also be a link for a free YouTube Secrets book. Today, we're diving into part 2, tactics. In chapter 9, we learn that creating great content isn't just about personality or production. It's about having the right structure. So let's break down the 4 key ingredients that every high-performing YouTube video needs. Number 1, big idea. 2, hook. 3, core content. And 4, a quick transition to another video. Just like a great meal, your video needs the right components in the right order to deliver value and keep people coming back. So let's take a closer look at each of these. First, the big idea. The big idea is the foundation. It drives your title, thumbnail, and overall concept. Your big idea should be clear even before you hit record. Think of it like a movie's log line. That's a 1-sentence pitch that tells viewer why this video or that movie matters. So some examples from Hollywood are Elf, a Christmas elf goes to New York City. The Matrix, a hacker learns the truth about his reality. And this video is the perfect YouTube recipe, how to create videos that keep viewers watching. Your big idea should be simple, compelling, and tailored to your audience. And as I mentioned earlier, my target audience is new, like me, and small YouTubers who want to create engaging content that make more views and better watch time. And here's a pro tip. Brainstorm multiple titles and thumbnails. See what grabs attention. Only create content that you can pitch in one strong sentence. Remember, strong ideas plus curiosity-driven titles equal clicks. And you think to yourself, would this idea grab you if you saw it in your feed? Next one, hook. The hook gives your viewer a reason to stick around. Think of your hook as a preview of value. Just like a movie trailer or a reality show teaser, and we've all seen plenty of those, it gives a glimpse of what's coming up so people don't click away. And here are some tips. Promise a payoff. Use a bold question or teaser. Cut the long intros. Get to the point fast. Here's a bad example. Hi, my name is Renee, and today I'll be talking about, that's boring, boring, boring. Even though it's safe, it's so boring and tempting to do. A good example is, most creators lose views in the first 15 seconds, and here's how you won't. Here are some creators who are successful at their hooks. Jenny Hoyos, Callaway, and the indomitable Mr. Beast. Go back and look at some of those videos because they have such great hooks, and it can give you some ideas. And Callaway, he actually did a video on, he studied a whole bunch of hooks, and he gives you a formula of 6 different ways that you can create hooks. The length, just 10 to 30 seconds, and that can make a big difference. Next, core content. Deliver value fast, clearly, and with momentum. Now we're in the heart of your video, and this is where you deliver on your promise. Whether you're teaching, demonstrating, or storytelling, your content should be focused, valuable, and easy to follow. If you're new, shorter is better. So you can keep them engaged by organizing your points clearly, using visuals or screen shares, breaking it into short segments, and keeping a fast pace. A quote from Charlene Johnson: be brief, be bright, make it fun, and be done. That's probably the hardest one to do sometimes. And here's some extra spices that can improve the quality of your video, just like the extra spices can improve the quality of your meal. Good lighting, clear audio, B-roll or graphics. A B-roll is where you're putting in scenes, inserting scenes that are not part of your main video. I think I'm going to try to do B-roll on this video. I haven't done them yet, so we'll give it a try. Humor or music, and editing to keep the flow tight. And remember, your first videos won't be perfect. Far from it. I'm going to put a link below to my first video. Watch it. You'll be so encouraged, because if someone could start off as badly as I did and make some progress, then you can too. And that's okay, because as the book says, make it your goal to get 1% better with every upload. Quick transition to another video. Don't end the video, lead it into the next video. And here's where many creators lose momentum. They wrap up, say goodbye, and boom, viewers bounce. I know I've been guilty of that. So suggest a related video, part 2, next step, or the same topic. Use end screens with clickable thumbnails and say something like, now that you know how to structure your video, check out my guide on how to monetize your content. It's the perfect next step. There it is. Don't say goodbye, just point the way. The goal is to increase the average views per viewer and keep people moving through your content. In fact, next week, we'll be talking about that in the second half of chapter 9, the metrics that matter the most. So I'll be posting that later. So please click subscribe and the notification bell if you want to be notified as to when that video is going to be coming out. So which part of the perfect video recipe will you use? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to support you. And if you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button as well. It helps the algorithm and tells me you want more tips. Thanks for watching this episode of the YouTube Secrets Book Study. Until then, keep showing up, keep learning, and remember, every upload is a step forward. Thanks. Have a great day.